Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blocks bigger in Jujutsu Shenanigans Mobile. To begin, select the block you wish to modify. Right-click the block to open a drop-down menu, then navigate to the Edit Properties option. This is your primary tool for precise adjustments. Inside, you will find a dedicated Dimensions tab, allowing you to input exact values for width, height, and depth. Remember to disable grid snapping for the most accurate and detailed resizing, giving you complete creative freedom. Once you have opened the Edit Properties window, focus on the Dimensions tab. Here, you can manually input exact measurements for your block's width, height, and depth. For example, you might set a block to be 10 units wide, 5 units high, and 2 units deep. This method offers the highest level of control, ensuring your blocks fit perfectly into your designs. Experiment with different numerical values to see how they impact the block's overall scale. Beyond manual input, the Size tool offers another way to adjust block dimensions. You can find this tool within the New Tools drop-down menu. For the best results and most accurate scaling with this tool, it is highly recommended to switch into first-person build mode. Additionally, for a quick adjustment, try holding down the Control key and scrolling your mouse wheel while targeting a block. This shortcut works on many resizable block types, offering immediate visual feedback. To avoid unintended changes, always duplicate your blocks using Shift+D before attempting significant resizing. This creates a backup, saving you time and effort. Also, pay close attention to the Symmetry Mode toggle. If it is active, resizing one side of your block will mirror the change on the opposite side. For truly advanced builders, linking block sizes via logic nodes allows for complex, automated scaling, opening up many creative possibilities within your builds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.